Good morning, students. Today, let us learn equivalent fraction from fraction and decimal chapter. Today, we are going to discuss about the equivalent fraction. First, we are discuss about the definition of equivalent fraction. What is meant by equivalent fraction? They they are the fraction that may have many different appearance but the same. Means there are some fractions they are having different appearance but they are same, that are called as a equivalent. Now, to know that two or more fraction are equivalent, we must simplify. Means we have to simplify the given fraction, change to its lowest form. Means for that purpose, means for the simplification purpose, we have to convert into their lowest form. We are already learned in previous year. Now, how to simplify fraction? A fraction is an its lowest term, or in reduced term, if we cannot find a whole number other than one that can divide into the both numerator and denominator. We have to change into the numerator and denominator. See here, you can observe here 5 divided by 10. 5 divided by 10. Everyone know that 5 divided by 20, this 5 is divided by 5 and this 10 also divided by 5, means these two number divided by the same number. Here I am dividing, here I am writing 5 divided by 5 and here also 10 divided by 5. Means you can observe that I am dividing this fraction or this 5 divided by 10 by the same number. Means if I am dividing by this 5 is 5 and this 10 also 5, means we are dividing the both the numerator and denominator by the same number. You know that 5 divided by 5 answer is 1. I am writing here 1, and 5 divided by 10 divided by 5 answer is 2. Means 5 divided by 10 is equal to 5 ones are 5 and 5 twos are 10. Means 5 divided by 10 is also equal to 1 by 2. Means 5 divided by 2 and 1 divided by 2 are equivalent fraction. Now see in next example. Here 14 divided by 21 and 30 divided by 45 equal. Means is they are equal? We have to find out they are equal. Now see 40 divided by 21. Everyone know that if we are dividing these two number by the same number, I am dividing 14 divided by 7. Everyone know that this 14 and 7 is divisible by a same number 7. Now I am dividing this 14 by 7 and this 21 by 7. If we are dividing 14 twos are, means I am writing 2, means 14 divided by 7 answer is 2 and 21 divided by 3. Now see, I am given the equation number 1. In answer of this, means after simplification we are getting answer 2 by 3. Okay, now next next number is 30 divided by 40. I am writing the 30 divided by 40. Everyone know that this 30 and 40, these two number are divisible by a number 5, also 5 or 15. Now we have to use any number. Now I am using the bigger number for the dividing. Here 30 divided by 15 and 45 divided by 15. Means I am dividing the numerator and denominator by same number 15. If we are dividing, answer is 30 divided by 50 answer is 2 and 45 divided by 15 is equal to 3. This 2 by 3. You can observe this equation 1 and equation 2 both are same. Then you can see that 14 divided by 21 and 30 divided by 45 are equal. From 1 and 2, these two are equal. Understand? This is called as a equivalent. Means value of these two fraction are same. That is why they are equivalent fraction. Understand? Now let's see the next part, fraction and decimal. We have to discuss the sum operation on fraction. There are basic algebraic fraction operation: addition, subtraction, division, and multiplication. Addition of fraction and subtraction of fraction, for that purpose we have to remember some things. First, simplifying, means in this lecture we are discuss about how to simplify, means we have to divide the both numerator and denominator by the same number, and we are getting answer other than 1. Now, like and unlike fraction. Like fraction and like fraction are compulsory to add and subtract, means we have to compulsory add and subtract. We can add and subtract. If there are unlike fraction, then convert them into the like fraction, means if the unlike fraction are given, you have to convert into the like fraction and solve. And already we know that how to convert the unlike fraction into the like fraction by using the LCM or HCF. Sorry, LCM. The denominator should not be added or subtracted, means we do not, the denominator should not be added or subtracted. Always change the improper fraction to the mixed fraction, means after that we have to change. Now see, first example, 1 divided by 6 plus 2 divided by 6. We have to add these two number. You observe that these are the like fraction. Why these two fractions are like? Because this is the denominator of these two denominator of these two fraction is 6. That is why they are like fraction. And everyone know that how to add the like fraction. Add the numerator, and you have to write a denominator as a single time, means 2 plus 3 and denominator is 6, same. That is why I am writing one time. And 1 plus 2 is equal to 3 by 6. And everyone know that this 3 divided by 3 and 6 divided by 3, means I am dividing the numerator and denominator same number. You know that 3 divided by 3 1, and 3 divided by 6 divided by 3, answer is 2. This answer is 1 by 2, means you can write 1 by 2 also, means 1 plus 1 by 6 plus 2 by 6 is equal to 3 by 6 or 1 by 2. This is your answer, means this is your simplified answer. You have to convert into the simplest form. Now next, 1 upon 3 plus 2 upon 5. You can observe these two fractions. Is they are like fraction? No, unlike fraction, because the denominator are different from each other. That is why these two fractions are unlike fraction. How we are converted into the like fraction? We have to cross multiply. How we can cross multiply? This 5 multiplied by this 2 number, means here cross multiplication like this and like this. Okay, now here you can see that this 1 by 3 I am writing 1 by 3, and I am multiplying by this 5, cross like this, means 1 into 5 and 3 into 5. Now we are using the cross multiplication here also. Now here 2 by 5 I am writing 2 by 5, and which number we have to multiply? Multiplied by 3, and here also 3. Now everyone know that 1 into 5 answer is 5. I am writing here, and 5 into 3 15. Here 2 into 3 6, and 5 into 3 15. Now everyone know that denominator is same. Now this unlike fraction is converted into the like fraction. Now after that you can add, means add the numerator and write a denominator one time. 5 plus 6 11. 5 plus 6 divided by 15, and 5 plus 6 is equal to 11. I am writing 1 by 3 plus 2 by 5, means I am writing this part is equal to, what is the answer? 5 plus 6 is equal to 11, and divided by 15. This is your final answer. Like that we can subtract the like fraction. Now we discuss about the subtraction. Now subtraction of like fraction. Observe 5 by 7 minus 2 by 7. These two are the like fraction because here denominator is 7 and here denominator 7, means these are the like fraction, and everyone know that how to subtract the like fraction. You have to subtract the numerator from each other, means 5 minus 2 as it is and divided by 7. Answer 5 minus 2 is equal to 3 and divided by 7, 3 by 7, means if you are subtracting like fraction you get the answer 3 by 7, means 5 by 7 minus 2 by 7 is equal to 3 by 7. Now unlike fraction, like same like a addition, means we have to cross multiply. First 5 by 3 minus 1 by 5, here denominator is 3 and here denominator is 5. These two are unlike fraction. First we have to convert them into the like fraction. How we are converting? By the cross multiplication, means we have to multiply by this 3 into this 2 number and this 5 into this 2 number. Now I am writing this 5 by 3 and we are multiplying this 5 by 3 into which number? 5. Now 5 multiplied by 5 and 3 multiplied by 5 minus we are multiplying this 2 number by 3. Now 1 multiplied by 3 and divided by 5 multiplied by 3. Solve this. 5 into 5 answer is 25 divided by 5 3s are 15 minus 1 3s are 3 and 5 3s are 15. This is converted into the like fraction. You can observe that the denominator is same. Now these two number are like fraction. Now we can subtract from each other. Numerator subtracted from another numerator, means 25 minus 3 and divided by denominator is 15, same, write one time. The 25 minus 3 is equal to 22 divided by 5. Like that you can solve the